The Hindu-Trep Youth Council, HYC, on Wednesday said that they will be taking to the streets if the state government fails to initiate steps to call them for dialogue on the roster system. While speaking to reporters after meeting Law Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh, HYC President Robert June Kharjarin said that they will also be exploring the possibilities of approaching the High Court in the coming days, as suggested by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. It may be mentioned that the Chief Minister, in his reply in the Assembly, had said that anyone who has any grievances with the roster system can approach the court. HYC President said that they would like to discuss this matter with the government before proceeding ahead with the future course of action.
Tenrei lada kamle de kam kumbaong no ha dala omban sesu ti ka sangro tom ti kan poi hi seta hi ken ti ngi khmi lenti ba lengba intervention jong ka law minister lengba intervention jong ki minister bron burum ka jongi ka sarkar kan pet ye kan sa sisin haba pet kamon omdei tang ban pet tang ka rosta haban pen baru ya ka policy kumlungin sudan sa ya ka policy ka basang posnam ka bom ya hap hai rem bat ngi